Okay, let's continue number 12. No, let's try this one. 2 raised to the power of 1 na nabutangan na nakukuan. X raised to the power of 2 tsaka raised to the power of negative 4 pa jud. So we have here distribute this one to every exponent. So 2 meron yung raised to the power of 1. So negative 4 times 1 again rolls rolls multiplying integers. If unlike sign, always negative. So again, 1 times negative 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power of negative 4. X raised to the power of 2. So 2 times negative 4 is equal to x raised to the power of negative 8. Again, when we have this answer, it is not yet simplified. We need to change this into positive by reciprocating. Again, lahat yan nasa numerator. Again lahat yan nasa numerator. Ang negative, ipunta natin sa denominator. So we have here equals, again sa iba, taas na lang equals 2 raised to the power of negative 4, hindi na yan sa numerator kundi sa denominator na. So 2 raised to the power of naging positive na yan pag pinalit. Now x raised to the power of negative 8, so that's a negative number. So pupunta din natin sa denominator. So we have x raised to the power of 8. Again 8 yan, x raised. So anong isusulat natin dito sa itaas kung walang ibang number or letter? 1. Okay? So again, we just need to simplify now this number. And 2 raised to the power 4. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So final answer is 1 over 16 x raised to the power of 8. Okay? So for r raised to the power of 0, ano si 4? Same pa rin ang gagawin. Again, just apply the concept that you've known in multiplying integers. Now, let's proceed to this one. We have here, for example, r raised to the power of 2 tsaka over 2r raised to the power of 3. Again, naka-vertical na tayo, no? Therefore, i-minus na nato ang parehas o variable. Pero ang numerical coefficient, i-divide. So we have here kung ma-divide, no? If the result or the quotient is not a decimal. So divide sa ta una. We have reduce, kung ma-reduce, kung dili na remain. Di ba na siya understood na 1. 1 divided by 2, ma-reduce pa ba na? Dili na. So as is na. So kopyaha lang na, reduce form naman na 2. Again, r raised to the power of 2 tsaka r raised to the power of 3. So put it in here. So numerator ta permintia, basta mag-minus. 2 minus 3. Again, 2. So we have here, for example, 2 minus 3. So answer is negative 1. Kaya dako si 3 nga negative compared kay 2. So r raised to the power of negative 1. Again, ang answer nato is r raised to the power of negative 1. So final answer is 1 ray mabilin sa taas. 2 perminti ang una. Number perminti ang una. Ay ang letter. Then r pwede bot ngan og 1, pwede na pod dili. So final answer is 1 over 2r. Okay? So next, we have here this one vertical. So i-minus na to ang exponent pero i-divide ang numerical coefficient. So let's divide first the numerical coefficient. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Numerator perminti kung whole number ang answer. N raised to the power of 4 tsaka n raised to the power of 3. So n, i-minus na to kay vertical man. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Again na, perminti na to isulat ang answer sa numerator. Kung negative siya, aya pa rin nato i-transpose para ani ba? N, na, ang answer nato is nasa numerator nakabutang. Pero kung negative siya, aya na din nato siya gi-transfer. So in this case, 1n or simply n. Kaya di ba ang 1 pwede na dili isulat. Okay? Or simply n. So we have here number 15. So x raised to the power of 5 divided by x raised to the power of 2. Again, naka-vertical. No, patindog siya. Therefore, minus ta. So 1 divided by 1. Numerical coefficient sa ta. 1 divided by 1. Ma-reduce man na. So understood na 1. So pwede na dili isulat. X 5 minus 2. Again, basta naka-vertical, minus. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Perminti ta din mag-una sa pag-minus ha. It will serve as our main one. So this is now our final answer. How about number 16? Try to answer. So we have, i-pause ang video kung, so we have here C 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8, that is negative 4. Again, pag negative 4, it change ta na. So final answer is si C, may mo nag-denominator, then butangan din nato og 1 kung walay lain. So that's the final answer. So how about number 17? So 5. Reduce divide sa taon na if ma-divide ang numerical coefficient. 5 divided by 1. Kaya understood man na na 1 dia. 5 divided by 1 is simply or same 5. X din x negative 4 minus, we have here negative 4, di ba? So to, negative 4 minus negative 9. So change the sign, may mo ni og positive. So unlike sign, so we have 5. Positive 5. So again, we have positive 5. So that's 5x raised to the power of positive 5. I-change pa ba ni nato? Dili na kay positive man. So that's the final answer. Okay? Again na, pag vertical, i-divide ang numerical coefficient